In this video, I'll show you how to change your settings to turn on or off the recording feature in the Zoom app. First, open your web browser. Then, head over to zoom.com or zoom.us and log in to your Zoom account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile avatar up in the top right corner of the screen and select Settings. Next, on the Settings page, navigate over to the Recording tab. Here, you'll see a setting that allows you to save meeting recordings to your computer. If this is turned on, it means you're allowing both the host and the participants the ability to record the meeting. If you don't want that, you can simply toggle it off. When you turn this feature off, during a meeting in the Zoom window, if you click on the More icon, you won't see the Record button anymore. Conversely, when you turn it back on, the Record option will appear right there so you can record the meeting. Keep in mind though, this setting only disables Zoom's native recording feature. Participants can still use third-party screen recording apps to capture the meeting, and you really can't control that. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.